Benefits of walking every day. Walk 30 minutes a day, 5 days a week, and this happens. Walking is one of the most underrated exercises. Most people take it for granted and believe that fitness must be achieved by doing entire yoga sessions, working out with gym equipment, or attending exercise classes. But simply walking can transform your body in many positive ways. You can walk leisurely or briskly, depending on your preference. And what's important is that you try to do it regularly. Before we continue, please like the video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified when I upload the next video. If you make it a point to walk for 30 minutes a day for 5 days a week, here are some of the most significant health benefits you should expect to gain. 1. Heart function. Walking might seem inconsequential, but it's an excellent cardiovascular exercise that's safe and easy for most people to do. It increases your pulse rate, improves circulation, and helps your heart get stronger. Over time, this helps lower your risk of heart disease, hypertension, and stroke. 2. Lung capacity. Walking is an excellent cardiovascular exercise. Walking also improves your lung capacity. If you walk regularly, your lungs eventually become stronger, and you'll notice a significant improvement in your endurance as well. With healthier lungs, you'll also enjoy more energy as oxygen travels more efficiently throughout your bloodstream. 3. Muscle strength. Walking involves large muscle groups and is especially good for strengthening your legs. As you do this regularly, you'll notice that it becomes easier for you to go on for longer. Maintaining a good posture while you walk will also improve your core strength and, consequently, your balance. 4. Bones and joints. Being active and developing your muscles leads to better bone health. Your bones will become more robust, and you'll become less susceptible to breakage and osteoporosis. Additionally, the movements involved in walking keep joints lubricated and healthy, so you're less likely to develop arthritis and similar conditions as you age. 5. Body composition. Walking helps you lose calories, develop muscles, and boost your metabolism. This enables you to achieve better body composition with a lower body fat percentage and higher muscle mass. Over time, this simple activity will lead to a leaner body and a better capacity to burn fat. Indeed, walking helps you lose weight. 6. Brain function. According to a 2011 study led by the Radiological Society of North America, walking regularly improves brain function so significantly that it helps slow down cognitive decline, even in people with dementia. This activity won't just reduce your risk for illnesses like Alzheimer's disease, but will also improve your mood and memory. 7. Sleep quality. In 2016, the BMJ Journals published a study on sleep quality led by researchers from Japan's University of Occupational and Environmental Health. According to the results of the study, walking 10,000 steps a day for 4 weeks has a significant effect on sleep duration and sleep quality. Although 10,000 steps might take the average person longer than 30 minutes, it's a good target to set eventually, especially if you have trouble sleeping. Walking is the least complicated way to become fit and improve your overall health. You can do it on a treadmill, at the park, mall, or just around your neighborhood. If you make sure you walk for 30 minutes a day and at least 5 days a week, you won't just look good, but also feel great. Following our study references we used to create this video. I hope you liked the video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you.